If you need a quick and free way to create a logo for your business, Shopify Hatchful is one of the easiest tools available. But is it actually good enough for real brands in 2026? In this video, I'll cover what Shopify Hatchful is, its main features, the pros and cons, and whether it's worth using. And for now, let's get started. What is Shopify Hatchful? Shopify Hatchful is a free logo maker created by Shopify. It is designed mainly for beginners, small businesses, online stores, and creators who want a logo without hiring a designer or learning complicated software. And instead of building a logo from scratch, Hatchful uses templates and AI style customization to generate ideas in minutes. The best part is that you do not need any design experience to use it. How Shopify Hatchful works. Using Hatchful is very simple. First, you choose your business niche, for example, fashion, gaming, beauty, tech, food, fitness. Then you pick a visual style like modern, minimal, bold, elegant, creative. After that, you enter your business name and optional slogan. Hatchful then generates multiple logo designs automatically. You can customize colors, fonts, icons, and layouts before downloading the final logo files. Everything happens directly in your browser, so there's nothing to install. Main features. Completely free. One of the biggest reasons people use Hatchful is that it's free. Unlike many logo generators that charge for downloads, Hatchful lets you download your logos without paying. That makes it great for startups and beginners on a tight budget. Easy to use. The platform is built for non designers. The interface is simple, fast, and beginner friendly. You can create a logo in less than 10 minutes. If you have never used design software before, Hatchful is much easier than tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. Industry-based templates. Hatchful provides templates based on your business category. This helps the generated logos feel more relevant to your industry instead of completely random design. For example, a gaming logo will look very different from a beauty brand logo. Social media ready files. Another useful feature is that Hatchful gives you logo files optimized for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Shopify stores. This saves time because you do not need to resize everything manually. Pros. Fast logo creation. You can generate multiple logo ideas within minutes. This is perfect if you need something quickly for a new business, YouTube channel, or online store. Beginner friendly. No design skills are required. Everything is guided step by step, making it one of the easiest logo makers available. Works well for small projects. If you just need a simple logo for a side hustle, small online shop, social media page, personal brand, Hatchful can work surprisingly well. No watermarks. Unlike other competitors, it doesn't actually add a watermark to your logo when you download it. Cons. Limited customization. This is probably the biggest downside. Compared to professional tools like Canva, Adobe Express, or Illustrator, Hatchful gives you fewer editing options. You can customize basic elements, but you cannot fully control every design detail. Logos can feel generic. Since many people use the same templates, some logos may look similar to others. That means Hatchful is not ideal if you want a completely unique brand identity, not good for professional branding. For serious businesses or large companies, you will probably outgrow Hatchful quickly. Professional designers still provide much higher quality branding and originality. Who should use Shopify Hatchful? Hatchful is best for beginners, small businesses, YouTubers, social media creators, people testing a business idea. But if branding is extremely important for your business, investing in professional design tools or a designer may be the better option. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Shopify Hatchful worth using in 2026? For a free logo designer and maker, it's actually very solid. It's fast, simple, beginner friendly, and gives you decent looking logos without spending money. However, the customization options are limited, and the designs may not feel unique enough for professional brands. Overall, if you need a quick and free logo solution, Shopify Hatchful is definitely worth trying. And that's all for today's review. If you found it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.